Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Tuesday, September 22nd. So today you're going to be starting your project, and I hope you've got all your materials together. You're going to be needing, of course, your science notebook. You will need the marshmallow, 20 spaghetti noodles, a meter of string, and a meter tape. And by the way, you don't have to use all these things if you didn't include them in your drawing, okay? So as I told you earlier, I want you to write everything in pencil in your notebook for the reasons I explained. However, I have no problem seeing this, but I'm looking at my videos on a large computer screen, and I know that some of you are having some difficulty. So what I'm going to do is set a bad example. I'm going to be writing everything in my notebook in pen from here on out. I've tried experimenting with all kinds of things. In fact, if you notice today, I even have a paper behind me trying to cut the glare and things like that. So again, I appreciate your feedback if you can't see something. And again, I think part of it is because some of you are in smaller devices, I'm not sure. So from here on out, I'm going to start writing everything in pen in my science notebook, but I want yours in pencil. Before we get started, I'm just going to review what should be in your notebook. If you don't have it, you can go back, pause the video, and look at these pages and fill them in. Don't let yourself get behind with 100 pages to fill in. In fact, I don't want you to start the project until you've got all these pages filled in I'm going to talk about. All right, so here's what you should have as a little brief review. Here's what page 1 looks like. If you don't have it, go ahead and copy it in. Just pause it. Page 2 looks like that. Here's page 3. Here's page 4. Here's page 5. And page 6. And page 7. So you should have everything filled in up to page 7 at this point. All right? Now I'm not going to talk a lot today because really you're going to be doing all the work. I like when that happens. So today you only have one job. And that is you're going to take the picture from what you drew on page 7 of your prototype and you're going to build the tower. And you have 40 minutes to do it. Our science is actually supposed to be about 40 minutes already, so that's all I'm going to give you. Now, once you finish, I'd like you to take a picture, print it off, and glue it. If you're having problems with that, there's a lot of different ways to do it, but at the very least, if you don't have a way to print off your picture for whatever reason, you could send it to me and I could run it off the printer and then get it back to you on a Friday. The problem with all this is there's going to be a delay if we do that. Let's see. Oh, and if your tower, I'll be honest with you, when I first did this, it was with a group of teachers. And as soon as I think there's a competition, I get a little carried away. And so I was trying to make this gigantic high tower, and it fell over. And I don't look at it as a failure because I learned some lessons out of it. I figure if I learn from something and I'm still alive, that it's something I learned. It's not a failure, it's just I learned something. So that's the way I want you to look at it. So don't be upset if after 40 minutes, you take a picture and your tower's in pieces on the side. It's okay. I expect a lot of that. All right? You will have a chance to redesign, so don't worry about that because just to let you know, that's what we're going to do on Thursday. So you're going to build your tower based on your drawing. Then you're going to take a picture of it. As long as it's standing for 3 minutes, I'm happy. Right? That was one of your criteria. I just said it had to stand for 3 minutes. So, that's it for today. Good luck with your towers. Remember to contact me if you're having any problems, okay? All right. Good luck. Talk to you later.